Alright y'all, what's going on? We got this thing out here, full M2C Kraton XL, and we're gonna see how she flies out here today. Down too low. We're gonna ease into this thing here real quick, see how she does. I think we want. Oh, barely got the flipper around. Yeah, going. She's nuts, y'all. That was sweet. Kraton XL, baby. That's completely my fault. I think we're gonna hit this thing full speed and just see what happens, y'all. Full send it. Beautiful. Got a spectator over there watching me, y'all. Let's hit this thing. I don't really want to hit this thing full speed, y'all, so I'm gonna take it out here a little further so I can actually try to hit this thing at full speed, see what happens. There she is. Get you some, baby. Oh no, no body on it. That's bad. Dang, that's bad. I need to check in motor temps too, make sure she ain't getting too hot on me. And let's nail this thing again. This thing. This thing's nuts, y'all. Did you see that? Wow. This thing's a beast, y'all. Oh, that broke it probably. If it didn't, I'd be shocked. Ha ha, nice save, though. Oh yeah, she broke. What did we break, boys and girls? What did we break on that brutal hit there? Oh, we broke our damned rod end. Well, nothing serious, y'all, but that's gonna put us out of commission. Damn, she was running so good too, man. So good. Motor's not overheating. She is tuned and dialed and ready to go, boys. Let's go see how hot this motor is real quick. I got a temp gun up there with me. Let's see how hot she is. Damn it, broke a stupid rod in. I'm gonna have to go put a new one on it. That's all there is to it. We get up here in the motor and see how hot. Just long enough to get up here to the car. ESC is 115 degrees. About 115. 122, I think somewhere right there, 120. The motor's at 133, 144. Somewhere I seen a 150, I thought. Well, right on top, 147, but that ain't too bad, though, still. 150 up in here. Where's my battery at? Battery's at 103. Servo 93. 104 on the ESC, guys. 119, 120. She's doing really good, actually. That ain't bad, y'all. So, we're gonna go get a new rod in, and we'll be back. If y'all ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. This thing has been phenomenal, guys. My second Kraton, or this is my first Kraton XL. Like I said, scorched titanium chassis, M2C center braces, top plate, shock towers, rear brace support, M2C top plate, ESC mount, scorched titanium chassis, RPM arms, hot racing emulsion style shock caps, hot racing complete steering servo assembly, Basher Queen carbon fiber ESC or servo mount, ARRMA SKINZ UK, guys. Don't skip out on these. These keep your chassis beautiful. And yeah, but that's gonna do it for this one, y'all. Like I said, if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out.